Kalakwatsero, kalakwatsera. Ayan, today we're going to Pula here in Croatia. So, kaya ako ay nakapula. O, diba? O, wala silang mga pula, kaya ako lang ang nagpula. And this is the road on the way to Pula. Ay, ginagawa ang road nila. Come and join us. Ayan, nice road. Is all mountains. This is the road from Opatea, where we stay, to Pula. At stop over muna kami. At ayan, continue ang driving going to Pula. And now we are entering Pula. At ang dami nga nilang pulang ilaw. Ang galing naman. This is Pula here in Croatia. What a beautiful flower. At of course, our first stop, the most popular here in Pula, the Arena. This is the Arena in Pula. Look, it's beautiful and it's a lot of tourists here. I think this is the most popular tourist spot here in Pula, their Arena. And last month, actually, Avril Lavigne is here doing the concert. When they have a popular people, they always do concert here inside of Pula. So this is really so huge, so big, like in Italy actually. This look like, but this is more ruined. Masyado siyang sira. Mas sira nga lang siya. Pero ang biruin mo, can you imagine, this is about 2,000 years na to. Sobrang luma. That's here in Pula. Pula in Croatia. Ayan, mga turista kami ngayong araw na to. We will explore first Pula Center and the tourist spot here in Pula. This is actually the old part of Pula, their center. And here standing the Arena of Pula. Ang laki-laki, sobra. At ako naman ay nakapula. O, diba? Ang ganda. Yan, picture muna tayo here in Arena in Pula. Pictures with my family. Ang ganda nung arena, ukuhang-kuha. Ang ganda. And then, after that, we walk around. Ayan, at we will go here. Ito yung kanilang, sa ilalim ng, you can walk here under. And this is also one of the popular Archistrage. It's like Arc de Triomphe, but their arc here in Pula is also a popular one. So, ayan. Picture muna ang mga turista. Punta tayo sa arc nila. This is also one of the most popular tourist spot here in Pula, the arc. And behind that arc is all the shopping center. Ayan, mga shop siya. Ang mga shopping center dito sa Pula. Look. Ayan, daming tao, no? Daming nagsha-shopping. Ay, ito pala yung sa may castle pala to. This is by their castle. And this is the going to the shopping center here in Pula. This is yung mga branded talaga siya. Look. So, a lot of restaurant here too. Dito rin kami kumain. At ito yung kanilang how you call it, gemente in Holland, in Dutch. Ayun pala, dito kami kumain ng pizza. Laki ng pizza nila at mura lang, €2 first slice. At nag-ice cream din. Yummy ice cream. Sarap ng ice cream din nila dito. Ayan, at puro purple na tindahan, marami. At ito nga yung sa may gemente, sa may kanilang munisipyo dito sa Pula. Ayan, ang munisipyo nila. At may katabi siyang yung pinakalumang building din. At actually, sa left side nito, yung kanilang sa left side nitong arc na to, itong building na to, pinakalumang building. Ang daming lumang building dito sa Pula. Ano siya, yung left side, yung tubig na siya. Yan, sa left side niyan. But dito kami dadaan sa loob. Yan. At ang arc, picture muna bago bumalik sa sasakyan. Si Macarena. Ayan, picture kung saan saan. At ito yung loob ng old building na yun. At dito actually sa left niya na andito ang port. Ayan, ang dami nakaparadang mga speedboat. Yung mga yacht. Lakaran na at babalik na kami sa sasakyan namin. Balik na kami at pupunta pa kami, mag-swimming pa kami. So guys, I hope
in 600 meters.
may Dalmatian pa. At here I find out in Pula, look, yung road nila, daming flowers. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of flowers, grabe. Ang daming flowers here. Look. Ayan. This is the road on the way back. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami sa Ofatea. At ang ganda ng sunset actually. Nung pauwi kami. At inabutan na kami ng padilim. Ay, grabe. Pero ang ganda ng mga view on the way to Ofatea. Ofatea is really beautiful. And look, super ganda. Mas maganda pala ang Ofatea sa Pula. Ang ganda ng mga ilaw niya at maganda rin siya. Thank you so much guys for watching.